Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country inspired farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old-fashioned and vintage charm with simple, cozy country farmhouse elements. It creates a home that feels welcoming, natural, and full of character. What vintage country inspired farmhouse decor means? First, mix of old and rustic. It combines vintage decor like old clocks, antique frames, old furniture with country farmhouse pieces like wooden tables, iron hooks, natural baskets, and handmade items. Uses natural materials. You will see weathered oak wicker baskets, iron or metal accents, handmade ceramics. This makes the space feel earthy and real. Soft, cozy colors. Typical colors include cream, soft white, light brown, pastel blue, shades green, dusty pink. These colors keep the decor calm and inviting. Timeless furniture. Furniture is usually displays or slightly old, made of solid wood, simple and functional, often looks old but loved. Think farmhouse tables, windows cabinets, cottage-style chairs. Charming decorative items. Common pieces include old lanterns, vintage clocks, mason jars, floral prints, antique mirrors, handmade coins, rustic shelves. They add personality and nostalgic beauty. Cozy cottage feel. This style blends farmhouse warmth with vintage softness, creating a home that feels relaxed, solo-packed, sentimental, story-rich. Overall vibe. Vintage country farmhouse decor feels like a cozy cottage in the countryside, a peaceful grandma-style home with charm, a rustic farmhouse full of life and history. It is warm, inviting, and soothing, perfect for anyone who loves nostalgic and comfortable home decor. Vintage country farmhouse decor mixes old world charm, simple rural living, and handcrafted beauty. It creates a home that feels like a peaceful escape to the countryside, filled with warmth, character, and nostalgia. The heart of this style, old, simple, and meaningful. This decor style is built around pieces that feel like they have a history. Nothing looks brand new or factory perfect. Nostalgic items look slightly old, handcrafted, loved over time. It makes your home feel authentic and soulful. Color palette, soft, calm, and country friendly. The color reflect natural countryside life. Main colors use warm whites, cream, soft beige, dusty brown, shades green, soft blue, faded mustard, muted florals. These colors create a relaxed and comforting atmosphere. Furniture, rustic, sturdy, and cottage style. Vintage country farmhouse furniture has personality. Common furniture pieces use wooden farmhouse dining table, often natural or distressed. Vintage cabinets with glass doors use old wooden benches. Wicker chairs, cottage-style beds with metal or weathered wood frames. Use side tables with curved legs. Vintage trunks for storage. The furniture feels sturdy, simple, and inviting, made for real everyday living. Materials used in this style. This decor celebrates natural materials. Wood. Use woodite, reclaimed or lightly distressed wood. Is necessary. Metal. Black iron, brushed silver or antique brass. Used in hooks, clocks and lanterns. Textiles. Soft fabric like cotton, linen, floral prints, gingham, crochet, lace, coils. They add softness and a coarse feel. Ceramics. Antique-looking pottery, hand-painted dishes and animal oil. Decorative items that define the style. This style includes simple but nostalgic decor. Use old lanterns, messengers, vintage picture frames, baskets, floral artwork, rustic wall shelves, iron candle holders, antique mirrors, old books, crochet tireless, farmhouse sign, milk pitchers, wooden trays. Each item adds character and charm. Next, patterns and prints. Vintage country farmhouse decor uses prints that remind you of countryside living. Stunning floral prints, gingham, small checks, tall prints, stripes, plate, embroidered fabrics. They bring a cozy, nostalgic feeling. The atmosphere it creates, the overall feeling is calm, warm, homely, peaceful, nostalgic, romantic cottage vibe, solo living lifestyle. It feels like stepping into a cozy country cottage from the past. Where you can use this style, you can apply this style as living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining area, entryway, balcony or patio. It is flexible and works beautifully in both small and large homes. Why people love this style? People love vintage country farmhouse decor because it is cozy, affordable, many handmade or chipped pieces uses. For timeless, easy to customize, warm and welcoming, great for nature lovers. Also perfect for cottage and farmhouse themes. It creates a home that feels like a home. Here is even cheaper, more detailed information about vintage country inspired farmhouse decor, focusing on the emotional feel, historical roots, styling methods, and how everything works together. Vintage country inspired farmhouse decor, advanced in tipped guide. Vintage country farmhouse decor is not just a decorating style, it is a lifestyle feeling. It blends countryside simplicity with old-fashioned charm to create a home that feels beautiful, personal, and full of meaning. Historical background. This style is inspired by old rural houses, where people used handmade furniture, natural materials, simple tools, functional designs. Over time, these old homes aged beautifully, wood softened, metals developed patina, fabrics fitted gently. Today's vintage country decor recreates the natural aching to bring warmth and nostalgia into modern homes. The philosophy behind the style vintage country farmhouse decor is not about perfection. It is about simplicity, comfort, warmth, imperfection, using what you have, loving old things. Every item feels like it has a story. Layout and space planning. Rooms decorated in this style feel open, airy, and uncluttered, but not empty. The layout often includes a central focal point, like a farmhouse table or vintage cabinet. Balanced placement of furniture, soft corners and rounded shapes. Natural pathways for easy movement. It avoids modern minimalism but also avoids clutter. Distressing and patina. A key characteristic is items that look naturally aged. Use chipped paint, own-aged, slightly faded fabrics, rustic surfaces, ironed with a soft patina. This doesn't mean broken, it means beautifully imperfect. Vintage country farmhouse furniture styles. Furniture often includes turned leg tables, farmhouse benches, cupboards with glass pane doors, curved cottage-style wooden chairs. Distressed sideboards, vintage metal beds, rocking chairs, wicker storage carts. All pieces feel practical and comforting. Textiles and fabric details. Textiles soften the rustic elements. Common choices: crochet runners, patchwork quilts, gingham and small florals, linen curtains, embroidered pillow covers, ruffled cushions, jute jugs. They bring in a cozy cottage-like feeling. Signature vintage farmhouse decor items. Some signature pieces that complete the look: vintage touches, enamel jugs, old clocks, ornate books, aged photo frames. Use farmhouse elements like galvanized buckets, wooden cradles, wicker baskets, ceramic pitchers. Cottage accents, floral artwork, lace table covers, botanical prints. Each item adds charm and storytelling. Natural elements. This decor always include nature. Fresh flowers like wildflowers, daisies, lavender. Indoor plants. Wooden branches for styling. Handmade oven baskets. Nature softens the vintage look and brings life into the room. Lighting style. Lighting is warm, soft, and cozy. Includes vintage style lamps, lanterns, wall sconces, warm yellow bulbs, candles for ambience. No harsh with light, always warm and welcoming. The emotional atmosphere. A home decorated in this style feels peaceful, nostalgic, soft, cottage-like, comfortable. Use handmade and natural. It gives you the feeling of being a sunny countryside cottage, far from noise and stress. Why this style is so popular? Because it offers emotional comfort, natural beauty, easy DIY possibilities, affordable decorating, thrift items, a timeless look, a connection to simpler living. It is cozy, beautiful, and endlessly customizable. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage country farmhouse decor is popular because it taps into emotional comfort. Nostalgia. Objects that look old make people feel connected to memories, family, and tradition. Safety and warmth. Use of soft colors, warm lighting, and handmade textures create a peaceful environment. Simple living. This style avoids stress by avoiding clutter and focusing on simple, functional items. Natural connection. Natural materials calm the mind and make a home feel grounded. This is why this decor style feels peaceful, cozy, warm, and relaxing. Furniture styling principles designers use mix heavy rustic pages with soft vintage pages. Examples are rough wooden coffee table plus soft floral pillows. Use chime-on textures. Furniture should look like it has a storage. Use distressed oud, lightly chipped paint, antique knobs, and curved details. Avoid modern shiny finishes. Rusty choices matte, chalk painted, brushed metal, or that oud. This creates a cozy lived-in appearance. Decorative themes that keep the look authentic. Vintage country farmhouse homes often follow these themes. Floral cottage themes use small floral prints, pastel colors, crochet lace. Rural farm life themes like roasters, barn sign, milk cans, rustic wall art. Homestead utility theme use basket, wooden crafts, enamel art, handmade items. Antique heirloom themes use old clocks, family photos, vintage books, brush lamps. Homes usually mix 2 or 3 themes for depth. Vintage pieces designers love to include. Some items instantly give authenticity. Must have vintage items. Use vintage mirrors with curved frames. Use antique style wall clocks, wooden hatches, enamel jugs, or lamps. Also use ceramic pitchers, old suitcases, old trunks, iron candle stands. These work as focal points in a room. The final atmosphere, when sun-dried, the home feels warm, cozy, charming, handmade, peaceful, nostalgic, authentically vintage. It creates the feeling of a countryside cottage filled with history and comfort. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.